So far we have learned many of the sites where we can promote our CPA or the affiliate links, or even our store or the service we can post there and get benefited with it. Since it's all the free promotional method, there are some of the methods which has not been yet shared, though you can try it on yourself since you know the steps how to promote the offer or your service on several platforms. We have learned the different platform of social media along with classified ads plus some of other platform to promote our offer or the offers. So now quickly guide you on some of the rest of promoting platform where you can try. One is Facebook, where you can find the related group. Let's say the niche is make money online. You can simply type the make money online and you can find several of the groups where you can simply join and interact on the group. It increases your trust and you can simply post your affiliate link. First of all, try to help the people, then you can simply promote your offer or services, then you get well result with the process. Or you can also create your own group on the Facebook and you can promote your offer. We've been talking only the free traffic method, so let's go for it first, and after we get some result or we get some money to invest, then we go for the paid ads. So it is for the free promotional method as on the Facebook. You can also do the process which we have learned on the previous video like YouTube, Instagram, etc. You can try the process on the Reddit as well. You simply have to create the account first as going on the sign up option here, and first of all you need to be some interactive here. You can join the several of the group. I prefer join few of the group first and follow their rules, interact with the group members, then you promote your CPA or the affiliate links or the services. And there is another site, it's like a question answer based site, which is Quora.com. You can simply create an account on here and basically we have to create the account first. I briefly guide you here. You simply have to create your account and you can ask or reply on the people's question, and in a question or answer based you can promote your offers or your services. And back to back there is another important one, which is blog post based website. It's a Medium. Here also you have to create your account first, then you have the option to publish your content. You can simply write your content as a review or as a guide form, and you can gain more customer or the visitor to your post, and they go to your link or your affiliate offer and they get converted and you make the money. There are several other platforms as well, but for now we have talked a lot on the free traffic platform, so it all would be good to go for your first month income goal. Then you can scale it up with your desired amount. After it, for more result, you can go for the paid method or the paid traffic method, where you get instant, or let's say comparatively to the free traffic method, you get the quickest result out there. So at the end I would like to say, simply follow these all steps which we have learned, and I'm sure you're definitely going to see some results on your CPA or affiliate networks. Even if you are promoting your store, Shopify or any other e-commerce store, you probably see some results on it. So all the best. Let's see you on the another tutorial or the another process of making money online.